So the first killing frost of the fall 2023 season hit. These are my habaneros, or they were my habaneros. There's a couple still on there. I didn't do a good job at picking everything off. Just ran out of time. But next year I'm going to make more time to get that done. So now we go over to what did survive, some parsley. And in that same area I planted some marigolds, and they did not make it at all. So, let me know in the comments if anything of yours made it through frost, and what area you live in. A couple of tomatoes, they were unharmed. I grabbed those. And there was remnants of one of the large pumpkins I grew last year. We'll just let it sit in the garden. I'm gonna grab some of the seeds and see if they'll germinate next year. See if I can get one good plant out of it. That's all the room I have. There's my empty pots from the peppers that I got rid of the other day. Now these are just a variety of Carolina Reapers, Trinidad Scorpions, some Why Nots, Chill Pines. These are my extra plants that I just couldn't get rid of. So I planted them out in the garden instead of in the pots. The pots are cloth pots, 3 gallon. They work pretty good. I had most of my peppers in those. And there's my little tiller. The corn did good. I don't know if I'll do it again next year. But then here's a look at what the garden was before the frost. Found some more sweet potatoes. I've got to still dig a bunch out. A little earthworm. I've got pretty good soil here. Didn't have to do much to it, just a little bit of fertilizer. And then we're gonna pan over here and look at what's left of the tomatoes, which is nothing. They are dead. So, like I said, I had a bunch of fruit left on there. So I need to do a better job at end of season harvesting next year. So let me know, and also in the comments, whether you freeze or can most of your stuff. I'd be interested to know. I didn't can anything this year. I've got a pressure cooker. Next year, I did freeze some stuff this year. We used most of it. Now here's some giant sunflower. I usually leave those up and then knock them down over the winter for the birds and the squirrels that are in the yard. So these are 12-foot varieties. And then we have my little friend, Mr. Owl, watching over everything, making sure the garden's safe from said squirrels. So I'll leave you with him getting dizzy. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you.